Thank you for joining us on Valley News Live. That Red River is flowing. It's ice-free in this section here as we look in from our view here in South Fargo. First Alert Weather Day has been declared for Friday as well. We'll have the latest on that coming up here as we're expecting some snow in the forecast. But between now and then, we also have rain and thunder in the forecast. A lot to go over. And here's the headlines. Let's go ahead and make this full screen so you can get an idea. Tomorrow, for the most part, we're going to be quiet, but by late in the day, we'll have some rain and thunder showers will be in the forecast Wednesday. Locally, they can produce very heavy rain and rapidly melt snow, so we'll have to watch the track where they set up and all of that. Now, as we head into the nighttime hours, it will mix with and change over to snow. That mixed precipitation and mainly snow will take place north, and it'll begin to accumulate. First Alert Weather Day for Friday for some wind and snow in the forecast and likely accumulating snow as well. Much of this precipitation will have impacts on a local area runoff and river levels. So we'll keep you up to date with the latest on that right now. Unsettled weather in the form of rain showers in the elevated terrain of the Rockies. We do have an exiting storm system with continued snow from north of Thunder Bay right through the Great Lakes region and Green Bay, as the snow has finally relented in and around Duluth, where we saw upwards of 1 to 2 feet of snow in that area as we went through the weekend. 46 Oaks, 48 Thief River, 46 Baudette right now, 45 in the Grand Forks area, and 47 in Fargo. Here is a look at the Red River in Fargo. Most gauge sites along the main stem Red River are expected to continue rising and into major flood stage is what we expect here in the FM area. We're not done here, and it's a lot of these tributaries though that have started to see some reduction in their flow. That's great news, but we still have a lot of ice and a lot of melting to go through, so we'll keep you posted. And again, we'll remind you on the app, we've made all the river levels available right on the app. You click on this graphic, you're going to get the latest readings and the forecast for the gauge site nearest you. Search VNL Weather in your app store today. Again, a look at our current conditions. Hector International seeing temperatures rise from a chilly and windy weekend here, but not nearly as white as our neighbors off near Duluth. Our temperature 47 degrees, north wind at 15. Now, as we peek at your forecast, 30s this evening, overnight dipping into the chilly 20s. That slows up some of the melting going on. Late as we go through the day, the clouds increase. I cannot rule out a spit or a sprinkle. Nothing substantial for your Tuesday, though. Clouds will move in. Look at temperatures. A breezy day with gusts over 30 miles per hour possible for many. We see 40s, mid 40s at that, and 50s, so we'll resume the melt. Now, we'll stay windy as we head in. Look at this, rain and thunderstorms. This is overnight and into your Wednesday morning. Heavy snow north, and that's along Highway 2 down to the south, transitioning to some locally heavy rain. So we go into the morning hours now. Wednesday at 6 in the morning, this will shift off to the east and move out of here, but we're not done. This area of low pressure will continue to sit, spin, work its way through the region and provide us with some snow. So for tomorrow, fairly quiet, increasing clouds and wind, gusty. Remember, hairspray. Then here's a look at this system as the second wave, the northerly winds take hold. Wraparound snow with wind will accumulate. Bismarck will stand a chance at picking up the 2 inches they need to break their record. We'll keep you posted on that. And these impacts then will slow down some of the melt. And everybody's watching the less than perfect forecast. But this was a pretty fair sunset. Laura, thank you so much for sharing your photo. Wednesday, wet. Thursday, white for some north, and Friday, white for many with wind. First Alert Weather Day. Cold start to the weekend, improving temperatures next week. And again, we'll keep you up to date with the latest on river levels and impacts.
It's never boring in the weather department. Not around here.
No, not really.
Silver lining. Thanks, Justin.
Coming up on Valley News Live at 6, the flood fight is on for those in the Minto, and no, we're not. We're talking about gas prices. Why is that Tuesday?